Well, back again, and got
Yee.
a visitor this time.
Yeah, we do.
What's up, what's up?
This is Nathan, a good friend of ours for a long time. Finally back in town.
Yeah.
So he's never seen these trikes before, so that's pretty much what we're going to be doing. Figured before we got to looking around too much, you'd actually get your reaction on camera.
He's like, I showed him those pictures, and he was like, you shitting me? They just came out.
Well, this doesn't look like a rolling death trap at all.
I mean, it only is slightly.
They got That's great.
Jesus Christ, bro.
Yeah,
That's why he's leaving.
this one's fun.
It hasn't got nothing on it, except for some pegs.
Yeah, dude, that's where your feet go.
Well, obvious.
What else are you going to do with them?
Marching him with like out of that bitch.
So what happens when you get going way too fucking hot, and you're coming in hot on this thing?
You drift. Drifting slows you down a lot.
You have some good pants, stop your legs on the tire there, and keep yourself from the ditch. Otherwise, you just pull a knee and go in the ditch.
Yeah. I mean, once you start sliding, it slows it down a lot. I mean, you'll lose speed where you got to stop drifting to gain some speed. So which one you want to take first, or try to anyway?
What have you guys created?
Well, we're not done. These are just the first ones.
Rough draft?
Yeah, these are literally the very first ones we just threw together for fun.
I think total this took us, what, a week between the both of them?
Yeah, something like that.
Like, if that?
Yeah.
I seen the video of you guys pulling this big son of a bitch out looking like a chopper.
It pretty much is.
It feels like it by the time you're on it, but yeah, no.
Yeah, it's definitely something else. So, from the last time, that axle's gotten way worse. Last time, that axle was like a quarter bent compared to that. It's pretty well fucking sunk now. But yeah, that last little slide was going to stop you or it's going to throw you in that ditch. I'm curious to see how this goes. I know, right? How you feeling about it? You what? You'll be alright, man. Just give it hell. So just give it hell. You'll be alright.
You almost walk it to get more speed.
Oh shit! Yep.
Can't break it loose.
Yeah, them wheels are cambered now.
Really hard.
There it was.
Yeah.
How was it?
Wasn't bad at all.
Yeah?
Motherfucker don't feel like a rolling death trap at all.
Nah, it's surprisingly solid and smooth.
Start going, try to get that extra side to side and then that direction of the wheel, Pulls you where it goes.
Okay?
Oh, you can do it.
I just realized we have a new camber effect.
Yeah, we do.
You what?
She's got a new camber. Fucking
Yeah. Hell yeah.
Hey, that's okay.
I told you we'd have clearance.
Oh, look, okay, see, now we just need to take and finish the rest of this one and wait for the fucking belly to grind out.
Right, well, see, like I was telling you, if it just comes in here and touches, we'll have room.
You gotta level it back out.
Yeah, come on.
Can't camber it, them damn Jap traps.
Well, hell yeah. So I guess we'll go try the motorized one now.
What?
Said I guess we'll go try the motorized one now. Well, it started and it fucking runs. That's always promising, isn't it?
Oh, yeah. Gotta love the redneck ingenuity.
Well, of course. I mean, how else are we gonna have fun here? We're too fucking broke. We don't need to spend money.
2 hours later.
So we're still waiting on little Johnny. I think he got fucking stuck or something. I don't hear him.
I'm deaf, so I don't fucking
I
hear
heard it a
anything.
second ago.
I didn't hear him, and I mean, it's not that far of a road. Like, fuck, man, he's up in Kansas and he's bumfuck somewhere.
He done went to KC and he's sitting down in a house full of honeys.
Yeah, fucking titty bar, throwing ones and shit, pulling fat bitches on a strike.
He probably hit that fucking 1 mileage. Some bolts of lightning happened. Now he's in 1956 or some shit.
Oh yeah, man, he hit 88 miles an hour.
Yeah, 88.
I don't even think that piece of shit would do it. They go, God
That'd be some
damn.
shit though. He come flying down here, hits 88. You see some flames.
That would be some shit. Dude, wouldn't that be some shit though if he just came around the corner over there? 'Cause that shit don't connect.
Comes back, has a full white beard.
Yeah, been gone for ages.
Several bad puns later.
So
No, you're gonna write
I
it.
really do.
Dude,
You gotta babysit the weight, bro.
you're gonna take like a 60 seconds and send it real quick. He's back. He better fucking pull in here.
Oh, that's good.
Okay. I'm so confused.
Oh, just keep it rolling there. He's about to come by, mark up the road there. He
Well, he's gotta go.
A Margay cart. That's okay. He's about to fly by.
Well, Nathan's gotta go. Like,
it's okay.
now.
Hey, we'll set another day.
Yeah, as we say, yeah,
You hoe.
like he's just about to do a flyby though. It's funnier than fuck because he's like, well, watch this shit.
Right on. Jesus, fuck.
God damn it.
Okay.
That's why.
Fuck this son, though.
The full send party now.
Hell yeah. Jesus, fuck. Jesus. I can't see shit. Hell yeah.
I told you that thing was not a joke. Good fly.
Dude, that's fucking dope. Nathan's gotta go, everyone. Yeah, leave a like and a comment if you want to see Nathan again. Alright, we'll see you later, bud.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah, you too.
That's pretty damn neat for a little stone mode too. I'll bet you later. Yeah, what's up, brother? Oh yeah.
There he fucking goes again. That's fucking awesome.
Thing is freaking nuts. Whew.
How was it?
Damn, that's like a 0 to 60 in 2.
Hell yeah.
Yeah, definitely that thing lets go on some gravel though. Holy crap.
Yeah.
It feels weird trying to drive when the steering wheel's at your chin, but as soon as you gotta make that turn, you don't feel so bad.
Right?
You're pretty glad it's short.
Hell yeah.
Oh wow. That's freaking impressive. I mean, for a stock freaking, 212 the whole 9 yards.
That's what I'm looking for.
That's what I've been trying to tell you from the get-go.
I found them.
Nuts.
I found one.
I was trying to keep it from straight, but I didn't realize how low I was. Jeez, wow.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, that thing is nuts. Pretty fun, huh?
Holy shit.
Was not kidding.
Yeah.
Alright guys, well, we got to about halfway through. We were riding. Our guest Nathan, he ended up taking off, and we decided to come out and get the old track cleaned up and get it prepared.
Yep, we
for a
burned.
little cleanup and rerun. Hopefully we'll get the trucks running soon, actually.
Yes, I have my axles on the way, so mine will definitely be able to run. I'm hoping they'll get here next week, so we'll definitely do a video on putting it back together. I'll at least do a video by myself, maybe just an extra video on putting it back together on how to.
Yeah, dude, just like
If
an
you guys are
add-in for...
interested. Yeah, as long as you guys are, so that'll be coming, so we'll definitely have an RC video. Nathan still definitely plans to come back out. Just leave a comment and a like and let us know that you like him, so we will.
Up until then, enjoy the fire, and we'll see you when all this is gone.
Alright guys, so we're gonna end the video here today. We didn't really get too much done else on the track. We just kind of burned and stuff like we usually do. If you haven't already, go get your Dirty Nacho Sauce merch before it's gone. Orders, it actually will not be available anymore as of January 3rd. So make sure you go get your Dirty Nacho Sauce merch by then. Follow us on Twitter. We are at Sauce Nacho. Twitter just automatically does it. I don't know why they chose that of all things, but they did. But that's all right. Once again, I know this will be the third time I've said it, but if you guys like Nathan, be sure to leave a like and a comment letting us know that you did like seeing him out and that you guys want to see more of him. He's a pretty good friend of ours, and we like having him around. Merry Christmas. This is our Christmas video. Kind of just had a great random day. Hope you guys enjoyed. Fucking, we'll see you in the next one.